You guys understand I'm approaching 4 from the negative side, right? And when I approach 4 from the negative side, that's going to make my denominator equal to 0, right? So it's going to be some sort of infinity. Do you see that, Alex? Do you see that, Rocky, Nathan, Michelle, Bing Bing, Nikki, Josh, Joseph, Steph? Oh, need more, oops. Okay, I didn't give you guys enough time, but can you guys see that we're gonna have a 0 in the denominator?
Yeah, but not sure what point to check it with.
Well, I would try, first I would just try to plug in the number, right? So when I try to plug in the number, what am I going to get? On the top, I'm going to get a 5. And on the bottom, I'm going to get 0 because I'm plugging in this number 4. So this tells me I have an infinite limit. Right? So you can imagine that if I'm plugging in a number that's a little bit less than 4, that's like I'm plugging in 3.99. So if I have 3.99 minus 4 on the denominator, if I have 3.99 plus 1 on the numerator, what are the signs going to be? Well, the numerator is going to be positive. The denominator is going to be negative. So I think this is going to be negative infinity. Does that help, Steph?
Oh yeah. So when it's coming from the left, we kind of like imagine it, the number on the graph from the left side. Yeah, I was thinking like, do I need to use the negative number?
Nope.
But I get it.
Good. Okay. Let's take a look at B. Oh shoot, we have 1 minute. It's okay. Let's just do it real quick, okay? So again, I'm going to plug in 3.99, right? So then this is going to be square root of 3.99 over 3.99 minus 4 cubed. What's the sign of the numerator? Positive. What's the sign of the denominator? It's going to be a negative number cubed, but that's going to give me still a negative number. So this is negative infinity. Negative 3.999 is even better than 3.99. Oh, you put negative, Irene. You can't put a negative because negative 3.999 is not close to 4. It's close to negative 4. So we have to get close to 4. Does that make sense, Irene? Yeah. So maybe what Steph said is the better way to think about it. Like draw a number line, you know? If you drew a number line over here like this, 4 is over here, negative 4 is over here. Like this is not close to 4. When you come in this way, you're looking at numbers like 3.999. That's close to 4. Yeah. All right, I'm going to keep you over for 1 minute. I'm going to modify this guy. I'm going to change this guy to be the limit as x goes to 4 from the negative side. Square root of x over x minus 4 squared. Let's take a look at this. I plug in 3.99. I'm going to get 3.999 on the top. I'm plugging on the bottom. That's going to be 3.999 minus 4 squared on the bottom. What's the sign of the numerator? It's positive. What's the sign of the denominator? It's a negative number, but squared. That gives you a positive over a positive. This gives you positive infinity. Does that make sense, this last example? I feel like it's kind of rushed, but I wanted to do one with the cube and one with the square. I'll highlight these. Those are the answers. All right, folks, sorry, I went over a couple minutes. That's it for 1.5.